Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Special 3D Objects Part 2. This video continues to highlight some special 3D objects and their applications. The first one is the sphere. This is one of the most popular and widely used 3D objects in the world. This is obtained by rotating a circle around its diameter. That's how it's constructed. The applications. We have all seen the world famous tennis ball and the world famous soccer ball. We have all seen pool balls or snooker balls. What about marbles? All beautiful and very popular objects. Ball bearings are used in many areas in engineering, in motors, axles to help wheels turn, and they are very, very strong, and they're in the shape of a sphere. The cylinder. This is similar to a prism, except that two opposite faces are circles. You can see that here. That's a circle there, and also the invisible one there on the other side. That's also a circle. In the real world, we've seen the metal cans, which are used to store food and many, many other things, and also the world famous drinking glass. They are in the shape of cylinders. What about pipes? Very, very important in the real world. You can have metal pipes, you can have plastic pipes, and normally some type of liquid or fluid can flow through those pipes. And in some cases too, you can put electrical cables, especially through the plastic pipes. But they're mainly used to transport water, liquid, storm water, whatever. The next one is the cone. Very, very popular. You can see it, very easy to see. That's a circle there, and then it comes to a point. The applications, well, what about the ice cream cone? I think we've all had an ice cream in our day. I certainly have. And what about the traffic cone? You see those on roads everywhere. See that? That comes to a point there. It's a little bit chopped off there, but if you increase it a little bit there, it certainly looks like a cone. Different types of pyramids. The base determines the name of the pyramid. The other faces are triangles. And there's an apex. The apex means that's the little point right at the top there. So if you look at the base here, see there, that's a triangle, and then the lines go up to the apex. That's why it's called a triangular pyramid. This one here is a square pyramid. See, because of the square there? See that? And it goes up to the apex here. That's a hexagonal pyramid. See, because that's a hexagon there. And then the 6 lines go up to the apex. In the real world, there are 3D puzzles in the shape of pyramids, very, very difficult to solve. And probably the most popular examples of pyramids in the real world are the pyramids of Egypt. And we've all seen those on TV, documentaries, and some of us have been lucky enough to go to Egypt and see them in person. So there's another video which highlights some great examples of 3D objects and how they're used in real life.